Bed for Dacia Dokker. Bed information. Our assembly instructions for the Dacia Dokker are designed for the Dacia Dokker since 2012. With the help of our easy-to-understand instructions, you can build the perfect bed for your car in a short time. You get all the necessary materials in your local hardware store and can easily assemble the individual parts like a kit. The bed is stable, inexpensive, and so light that you can put it in your car on your own. Your car will still be suitable for everyday use. Materials. The bed system makes do with few elements. The wood used is arranged so that it is self-supporting. This makes the bed system very stable. You can have the wood cut directly at the hardware store and get all the other elements there as well. The bed system consists of the following materials: square timber, fiberboard, angle brackets, flat brackets, screws, lashing straps, mattress. Assembly instruction. Detailed description of the work steps. Step-by-step instruction on 16 pages. All steps are illustrated. Detailed shopping material list for cutting in the hardware store. Modular principle. For every sold instruction we plant a tree. 90-day money-back guarantee. Price for assembly instruction, ebook €29.95. Price for assembly instruction today, €19.95. Double bed. The double bed is perfect for 2 adults. The bunk offers you plenty of space to sleep with the full interior width, and additionally you can stow enough luggage under the bed. Sleeping surface, 1950 mm x 1100 mm. Dacia Dokker double bed by instruction for only €19.95. Single bed. The single bed is ideal for traveling alone. For an adult person, the single bed is easily enough, and next to and under the bed is plenty of space for large luggage or sports equipment such as surfboard, bike, paraglider, etc. Sleeping surface, 1950 mm x 600 mm. Dacia Dokker single bed by instruction for only €19.95. Combi bed. If you want to travel not only alone, but also as a couple, our combi bed can be a good choice. It offers more storage space than the double bed, but less than the single bed. So it is the perfect middle ground, and you are flexible for your travels. Sleeping surface as double bed, 1950 mm x 1100 mm. Sleeping surface as single bed, 1950 mm x 550 mm. Dacia Dokker combi bed by instruction for only €95. What our customers say. Homemade beds. Sign up for the newsletter and save 15%. Get discounts, exciting news, new products, and stories about mini campers.